Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we often talk about malware and things happening when you don't do things right. As a tech guy, I've often seen that where does the problem arrive when you have malware on your PC, viruses of all sorts, adware. It is always because of something that the person did. I'll always say it again and again. When your Windows operating system is up to date, when your browser is up to date, no, you do not get viruses magically like that. It doesn't happen. A lot of people seem to think that it's easy to infect Windows just by looking at it. It's not the way it works. You have to do something. And as a tech guy, I can tell you there is always something that somebody did when there's malware. Well, talking about that, there is a new variant that is extremely viral. HP Threat and Security actually has discovered it, and it actually will infect the Google Chrome browser with a extension, which is called Chrome Loader. And it's a variant that is actually called in the Chrome Loader. It's called Shampoo Chrome Loader. It is actually pushed pretty much always via either fake wares site or fake software site where you actually are lured into getting cracks or games that seem to be legitimate, but you're getting actually a extension that installs into your Chrome browser. It is also very popular on illegal movie sites where you will be often lured into, installing some new player to have access to movies, things like that. So basically, everything that you shouldn't do is pretty much what brings this. And the HP threat team says that the worst part is that installs in your browser, redirects everything, and no antivirus actually detects it at all. Once again, that tells you, and that's what I say all the time, your antivirus is not what's protecting you. What's protecting you is what you do. So once it's installed, what happens is that it becomes an extension that redirects you to all sorts of shady sites, gaming sites, porn sites, and so on. And of course, displays ads everywhere that are not supposed to be there. If you try to go and change or remove the extension, you're actually redirected to the settings page on Chrome because it prevents you from actually going to the extensions. Even if you flush everything and you try to restart your PC, there's actually a boot process that happens that reinstalls it immediately every reboot. So it's more tricky to uninstall it than uninstalling a simple extension in Google Chrome. Apparently, on the people that go and download illegal stuff, I'm talking about software, movies, and so on, a very high number of users have it. A lot of users have it, don't even notice it because they think it's normal that every website they go to has ads. The problem is the ads are the ads that the extension sends, and that it tries to, basically the idea behind it is those who make it want to make money by actually having people click on ads and view ads that will, of course, give them some money. So it is a possibility that you could get this. And once again, like I said, you have no antivirus is detecting it. So that tells you that you've got to really be careful what you do on the web. It's extremely important. So it affects, from what we know, Google Chrome only. And I would guess it could affect Edge since it shares the Chrome possibility. So I wouldn't be surprised that Edge might. And it affects both, because it's an extension and that it runs within Chrome, it affects both Windows, Mac, and Linux. So it can run on all three since it's a code that runs within Chrome. So that means even a Mac computer, if you're not careful, you can actually be redirected with ads and all sorts of things like that. So it tells you that every platform can be affected by this. So that tells you to be careful what you're doing out there and not to do things that are not supposed to, because you will be bitten. It's always the way it works. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.